Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Hohem M6 Gimbal. This is a premium looking and reliable gimbal that is packed with a bunch of features and has AI capabilities as well. Inside the box, you're going to find the carrying case with the gimbal itself, the magnetic fill light with its AI sensor, the gimbal stand, and 2 charging cables. You're also going to find the instruction manual in there as well. Now, let's talk about some of its features. The Hohem M6 comes in a premium looking build and design with a black and orange color scheme. It has an ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to hold and shoot videos for long periods of time. With its OLED screen in the front, you can see all the key information, which helps when you're shooting on bright sunny days. The Hohem M6 weighs about 650 grams, which is on the heavier side of mobile gimbals out there in the market. But this is also a plus point for the gimbal because it reduces shakes and increases stability while supporting multiple accessories attachment. For M6 setup, you have to unlock the roll and pan axes to ensure movable arms, and balance the phone in the central clamp in the middle. You can use phones of different sizes with the phone clamp. The M6's robust phone clamp can support thicker phones and cases. The M6 also offers 4 1/4 inch screw holes to mount up to 4 accessories. It has a total payload support of 400 grams of weight, thus making it quite versatile. One of the most interesting features of this M6 is its 300-degree infinite spin shot that you can use by pressing the M button 3 times. This is called the Inception mode, and it creates an impressive rotation effect that you can use for all your videos. But if you want more control over your roll axis, you're also able to manually control it by pressing the side zoom button 2 times and adjust the roll by rotating the knob. You're also able to position your gimbal in various different ways against the rotation axis by just maintaining a certain hand position, such as the vertical hand position. But you can also adjust tilt positions by manually pushing against the axes and holding for 2 seconds to maintain that position. The tilt motor, which is a part that is attached to the phone clamp, has a 335-degree tilt rotation, thus making your videos more cinematic and smooth. With the multi-function button right here, it says M, you're adjusting different modes such as pan and follow, pan and tilt follow, lock mode, as well as POV all follow mode. On the back, there is a button called the trigger button, and with that, you can press and hold to take sports mode videos. You can also press the trigger button 3 times to reverse the panning rotation 180 degrees, or press it 4 times for the ultra wide angle shot mode. So if your dedicated camera has a ultra wide angle mode, you're able to use it with this gimbal even more easily. So let's first look at what the problem is with the regular gimbal when you shoot on this mode. So I'm gonna adjust my angle, and you're gonna see that as I'm rotating around, I am able to see my sides of my gimbal, and that's a problem. But if I press the trigger button on the back, it will flip the camera around and it will be able to shoot in ultra wide angle mode. So let me do that right now. All right, so now it's on ultra wide angle mode. And as you can see, I'm able to go around very nicely and smoothly. Now let's adjust the angle to see if we can see the sides of our gimbal. And I don't see the sides of the gimbal that was showing up right here. Using the A and B buttons on the side, you are also able to take motion time-lapse videos, and it doesn't require the dedicated Hohem Joy app. You just have to manually set it by pressing an angle, and once you hear that beep, that means that position A is set, and go to position B and press the B button. And when you press the A button again, it will move to position A, and it will do a slow rotation that will help with your motion time lapse. One of the most unique features of the M6 is its magnetic fill light integrated with the AI vision sensor. The AI vision sensor doesn't have an integrated camera app for it. You can use it with any camera app, and all you have to do is do some gestures, such as the OK gesture to turn it on, and the stop gesture by putting your palms up to turn it off. This is a very useful feature for video streamers and vloggers who have to film themselves on the go. To use the fill light, you have to put it on the gimbal and then use the multifunctional control knob as well as the middle button to turn it on. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then to switch between the temperature and adjusting the brightness, you can do quick presses of the middle button. You can also rotate the knob to adjust the strength of the temperature and the brightness. The fill light also has a dedicated RGB mode that you can access by pressing the middle button of the multifunction button 3 times. For zoom control, you can use the multi-function wheels on the side to manually set the zoom, but you can also use a separate control button for the zoom and recording using the orange button in the center. Do note that this is available with the Hohem Joy app. With the Hohem iStudy M6, you can charge your phone while you're shooting. It has a battery capacity of up to 18 hours on a single charge, giving you peace of mind that you're able to get through the day without having to recharge it. And that is it for our review. We hope you guys like this product. This is a great product to have for videography for all levels, from beginners to advanced. It is quite a versatile gimbal with lots of capabilities and a lower price point than most gimbals out there in the market of similar capabilities. Please go ahead and check out our description box below if you'd like to know more details about this product. Thank you all for watching.